Alright guys, so next video here at Cabinets Quick, talking about our LED system. And shout out to Hafele for helping us with all this stuff. So we're going to talk about how the cabinets themselves get lit, right? So in previous videos we talked about the power supply, how much lighting can be run on a power supply, and we talked about how to power these up at a wall switch. Now we're going to cover how the switching happens at the cabinet for the cabinet doors or drawers, right? So the first switch we're going to talk about is this magnetic reed switch, okay? So the way the reed switch works is this sensor is put on your cabinet, and then this magnet is put on your door, and he plugs into the power supply right here, right? And then we're going to turn them off. And then suppose this light was in the cabinet, right? So this is inside the cabinet. This is at your door. So when you turn it, when the door opens, it turns on. When the door closes, it turns off, okay? So that's how the reed switch works. And you would use this on a single door application and a pair of door application, right? The next version is for drawers. Now the drawer sensor is unique where this directly ties to the LED ribbon on however you decide to put it in the drawer box bottom. And this is a proximity switch, infrared proximity switch. And the cable is long enough to go from a drawer into a block, and it just simply plugs in. So you can do up to 6 drawers on one cabinet, right? If you need more, you can do a little splitter here, but 6 drawers generally you'll cap out, right? So that's how that works. Here at Cabinets Quick, we have everything already milled and routed and planned. So when you get the cabinets from us, all of this wiring, all of this routing, all of the switching is already done, and you just basically have to plug and play the daisy chain system and stuff. So this will be inside of how we provide it at the drawer stretcher, at the drawer, and these will be already provided at the doors. So everything you're gonna need is gonna come in a kit. And we'll see you in the next video. Please remember to like, comment, and share. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and we'll try our best to answer them.